Park, baby. We are approaching now, guys, in Lake Park.
We're going now.
In Lake Park, Riyadh.
Lake Park, Riyadh.
This is the most visited place in Saudi Arabia. One of the most visited place in Riyadh City, Lake Park. Nasiya diri guys sa tunga-tunga sa desierto, guys. So makita ninyo ang mga surroundings, puro mga buhangin, guys, na mga puno-puno diri, guys. Pero gamay ra, guys, ang makita ninyo, guys. Mga desert na mga tanong, guys, ba.
Literally deserto gid.
So guys, see you there, guys. Bye bye.
Bye. See you there.